Hi guys, hope you are fine. If you are working the Blender and you have the famous problem of not working, as you will find, will you see now on the following message. You have this error, a graphic card and driver with support of OpenGL 3.3 higher. Okay, to solve this problem, I find the solution. It's very easy. Only this file, and you will find the link in the description. Just copy and go open the Blender properties, open file location, just paste. If you will find it, replace. If you don't find, just copy. If it's available here, OpenGL before, replace. If not, inshallah it will work now with you. Okay, open again. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. And if you need just anything, just ask and I will inshallah do it for you. Thanks. See you inshallah. Bye.